In this course, you will learn how to prepare the Moroccan passia step by step. Ingredients you will need: how to make the chicken filling, how to make the eggs filling, how to make the almonds filling, how to assemble the passia, and how to garnish the passia. What you will need: ingredients for the chicken filling: 500 grams of chicken, 500 grams of onions finely chopped, 3 tablespoons of parsley finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a large pinch of saffron, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 big cup of water. Ingredients for eggs filling: 4 eggs, ingredients for almonds filling: 100 grams of almonds, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of orange blossom water, and oil for frying. Ingredients for dough: filo dough, 1 cup of melted butter. How to make it? Step 1. How to make the chicken filling. On medium heat, drizzle the oil in your pan, add the onions, add parsley, add spices, and mix well. Add the chicken, cover your pan, and let the chicken cook for 10 minutes. Add water to the chicken, increase the heat to high, cover your pan, and let the chicken cook for 20 to 30 minutes. To check if your chicken is cooked, poke the meat with a fork. It will pull off the bone easily. When the chicken is cooked, remove it from the sauce, let it cool down. Then separate the meat from the bone. Shred the meat into small pieces. Step 2. How to make the eggs filling. Add the 4 eggs to the sauce where the chicken was cooked. Lower the heat and stir the eggs into the sauce. Do not cover your pan and let the sauce evaporate. The egg mixture should become dry after 5 to 10 minutes. Keep stirring from time to time. Then transfer them to a colander and let all the excess water drain out. Step 3. How to make the almonds filling. To blanch almonds, start by bringing a pot of water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, turn off the heat and put the almonds in the water. Let the almonds sit in the water for 2 minutes, and then use your fingers to pinch off the skins. Heat 1 cup of vegetable oil in a skillet over medium heat for about 3 minutes. Test the oil by dropping in an almond. Fry the almonds in the oil until they become golden brown. Remove the almonds from the oil and let cool down. Process the almonds with the powdered sugar, cinnamon, and orange blossom water in a food processor until the almonds are crushed. Step 4. Assemble the pastia. Cut the filo sheets with a pair of scissors in half. Fold the filo pastry into two. Take a round cake mold or tart ring and brush it with melted butter. And place folded filo pastry sheets around the baking pan. Brush the filo pastry with melted butter. Spread the egg mixture in the middle of the pan. Cover it with one layer of filo pastry. Brush the filo pastry with melted butter. Spread the chicken pieces. Cover them with one layer of filo pastry. Brush the filo pastry with melted butter. Spread the almond mixture and carefully fold over the filo dough on all sides and brush the top of the pastry with melted butter. The pastia is now ready for baking. Place the pastia in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the tartar ring. Then flip the pastia and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes or until golden. Pastia should be golden brown all over and crispy to the touch. Step 5. Garnish and serve. To serve, turn the pastia out onto a plate and dust with icing sugar and decorate with cinnamon. It is recommended to eat it while it is warm and the filo dough is still crispy. Note that the pastia can be covered in a plastic and stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 day or in the freezer for up to 2 months, so you can bake when you need it. The pastia placed into the oven directly from the freezer will take up to 1 hour to bake.